What's up, you guys? Back at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing an Invidia Catless Downpipe on this 2018 WRX. It should be fairly simple, but I don't think it's going to be. Overall, you have to take these, I believe it's 4 bolts, 2 O2 sensors, and then these two. Yeah, you guys are going to see us struggle. Hopefully not as much. We have been soaking these bolts in PB Blaster for like the past 4 days. So hopefully it makes our life way easier. Alright, so we went ahead and we already loosened these guys right here. 1, 2, and we're about to loosen this guy. You have to take off the heat shield and kind of bend it down with some pliers. And then if you don't have an O2 sensor socket, just use one of these. Just make sure it's fully seated on it. And then we use like a cheater bar. Yeah, we use this. It just slipped on and it just gives you more leverage to break it loose. Kind of doing this with the car still warm, so it's a little bit easier to like get loose. But yeah, once this is out of the way, it gives you access to this top bolt, and then pretty much you're just gonna struggle with this back one here, and then everything else should be more easy. Pretty much got everything that we have to get off. Just get to the last bolt. Once you clear up the way to get to that bolt right there, it should just snap off and be good. But right now the heat shields, and then we got the both O2 sensors off, so that made everything easier because you have to follow the steps. Heat shields, O2 sensors, the bolts. So what we're doing is coming from the top to get the bolt that secures the downpipe. This bolt right here is gonna release the mount that the downpipe actually mounts up onto. We finally got this, oh shit, this heat shield with a bitch to get out. Bent it over and then slid out. Ow. But yeah, this shit is a pain. But now we're just gonna struggle on this back one. Like I've been kind of like telling you guys, I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but this top one right here, all of these other ones are already loose. So this one now is our challenge. Once we do this, should be straightforward and just replacing the pipe. So we ended up stripping that top bolt. Believe everyone struggles with that one, so we're gonna go get an extractor right now and come back and struggle with it some more. Package secured. So that kit was a complete fail. Off to store number 2. Attempt number 2. Oh, oh shit.
I'm in the way.
Package secured. 14 mil, that's what we needed. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, I think I got it. I think I got it.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no, it didn't.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Did it fuck up even more?
It broke the bolt. No. So as you guys just saw, I almost got it, but it just rounded itself off. So. Unfortunately, the second kit that we got didn't work. So now we're just gonna skip the bolt and just go straight to the stud. Trip number 3 to the store. Hopefully this is our last trip. We might have to come back for a torch, but if that's the case, I think we're gonna call it a day and just make this a part 2 video. We're out of options. The bolt that was holding the stud. So basically, here's the stud. We put the socket on it and it just snapped it off clean. I thought I had clean. Everything was perfectly fine. I started wrenching and then it just broke. And now we are out of options, so I guess I'll resume this vlog when we're able to fix it or whatever. This is it for now. Alright guys, this portion of the video I'm going to be recording, doing some pulls and some revs, so enjoy. Alright, so that's with all the windows up. And that's pretty much, this is going to be the before. this around the lift, and now time to go up. Alright, so here's the piece of bolt that made us struggle. Finally off. Here we have all the hardware kit that's comes separate. I don't believe this comes with the kit, so don't be cheap and just buy the extra bolts. It's gonna save you time if you strip anything. You're not gonna have to wait for a stud if you break anything. So just go ahead and get yourself the kit. This is the adapter plate that goes to. It's gonna go like this. The pipe is bigger than the stock rest of the pipe, so it's gonna go like this, and just goes straight to the muffler. These studs, literally we put the stud extractor and it came off by hand. Okay, these ones we had to use a ratchet, and it kind of messed up the threads, the outer threads right there. Same as this one just wasn't budging, so we weren't gonna take the chance and break it. So what's gonna happen now is we're gonna retap these holes. Well, this one's fine, but we're gonna retap those, and everything should work out fine. Since there's no delivery drivers on Sunday, which it currently is, I'm having to come pick up a rethreader. One of the studs ended up completely breaking off halfway, so we had to drill it out, and right now I'm about to pick up the kit. We got it. Now off to making the hole and calling it a day. But she's coming down, should be all set to go. Now we're just gonna reflash it and then get a cold start on it. Drive it out, and should be all good. Yeah, this shit is loud. It's gonna pick up weight. Sheesh. You're gonna feel that boost kick. I know. La verga. Oh, that's a Mercedes. Just scared the fuck out of me. Freshly installed Invidia Catless Downpipe. Oh my god, there's a cop. No. She's looking at me. Oh no. I have to go past her. She's on the on-ramp coming on with me. I don't know where to put the camera. Here. Should I do a pull? Hey, there's a cop behind me, G.
No way.
Yeah. Well, it's a car behind me, but I need to get on the on-ramp and loud.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Is there a cop actually on you, or are you playing around? There's a cop behind you? You're lying, dog.
What?
You're lying, huh?
I'm not lying. Alright, vlog, look, this guy thinks I'm lying, but look at the cop right there in my mirror. Hopefully I can zoom in onto that, but yeah, the cop's right there. So now I can't even do a pull. Rip. Sheesh. Alright, time to do a pull. Oh, fuck, CHP. Oh my god. No. need to get off of the highway. As soon as I drove by, he was just looking at me. Alright, I'm doing it for the vlog. If I get rolled up on by this officer, it was vlog content. I don't see him behind me or anything. I'm excited to see this guy's reaction. Sheesh. You know when the car makes you smile? Greatest thing ever.
This shit sounds amazing. That's crazy, yo. Whoa, it feels a lot different,
Yo, stop playing. And the drone, honestly, when you're driving,